Hey folks, welcome to the channel where we talk about making money online. Today's topic is something that's been gaining a lot of traction and attention lately, and that is whether AI is the future of making money. As AI becomes more prominent in our everyday life or YouTube without seeing a new AI tool, it's essential to explore the potential businesses and society as a whole in today's video. We'll discuss the different ways that AI can be used to make money, the potential drawbacks, and the potential benefits of relying on AI for income. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and let's go. Firstly, let's discuss how AI is being used to make money. One way is through the development of AI-powered products and services. For example, companies like Amazon and Google are using AI to improve their search algorithms and provide a more personalized product recommendations to their customers. I recently posted a video of how you can use AI recommendations and integrate that within your Shopify store. So if that's something that you're interested in, do check out that video after this one. People have also been making money using AI through the development of AI-powered businesses. If you've watched any of my recent videos, then you'll hear me talking about AI-powered tools such as Synthesia, CapCut, Replica, and all of these tools which are powered by AI. Startups are leveraging AI to develop new products and services that solve problems more efficiently and more cost effectively. For example, companies like UiPath and Automation Anywhere are developing AI-powered tools that automate repetitive tasks and improve workflow efficiency. AI is also being used in the finance industry for machine learning, fraud prevention, and financial crime prevention, as well as to make investment decisions and automate trading. Now, although I don't recommend that you use AI to automate trading, I do think it's an efficient tool for research purposes. I talk more about how you can use AI within your research process in this video here, but again, want to add on to your list. Now, all things considered, there are drawbacks for relying on AI for income. One concern is the potential job loss. While AI-powered products and services can create new jobs, there is a risk that traditional jobs will become obsolete as companies opt for AI-powered alternatives. One of the main reasons for switching to AI-powered alternatives is because it does improve the quality of the products and the quality of the service. For example, AI-powered systems can analyze vast amounts of data to identify patterns and even make predictions. This can lead to more personalized and effective products and services. Lastly, AI-powered systems can operate 24/7. They do not have to take a break. They are essentially the perfect employee. There is a concern of AI bias. So if AI systems are trained using biased data, they may perpetuate and even amplify existing biases within the system. This has the potential to lead to discriminatory outcomes which nobody wants. This can have severe consequences to society as a whole. But while AI certainly has the potential to be a game changer, which it definitely has, it's taken the world by storm, it's important to approach the technology with caution. This is where self-awareness plays a huge role. We need to be mindful of the drawbacks, such as the risk for job loss and for bias. We need to mitigate these risks where possible when developing and using AI technology. Ultimately, the future of making money will likely involve AI. It already has. Like I said, there's so many systems, so many new technologies that are coming to market that are powered by AI. Even less traditional but modern ways of making money like content creation, YouTube, affiliate marketing, and things like that are being strengthened by the ability to use AI. AI voiceovers, Synthesia, ChatGPT for script writing, everything in that area is becoming so much easier. The main thing is to be self-aware, know the tools that you're using and know the risks of using those tools. Thanks so much for watching. For more like-minded content, like and subscribe because I post every single week, even more so recently with my YouTube shorts, so do check that out. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.